Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I've got a short options video to go over with you today for our surge bins. Oftentimes gaining access to the top of our storage solutions so that they can service the chambers, filters, level switches, or any other devices that are going to be put up top. Maybe it's metal separation and detection. We offer packages for ladders with handrails. Some of our ladders, like behind me, are enclosed. Some of them are not, depending on the height of the surge bin or where it's going in the facility. Also, we offer handrail packages, which we'll take a look at next. And these packages are all made with structural square tubing, bolted rigidly to the top cover of the surge bin. So without further ado, why don't we climb up on top of the surge bin and take a better look at the handrail part of a ladder and handrail package. Well, welcome back. Now we're up on top of the surge bin. As you can see, it's a little darker up here when we're not below the lights. Hopefully you can see me, but all of our handrail packages, as I was mentioning, come with square tube structural steel. They also come with a spring return door. Our covers, once we put a handrail package on, always have a view hatch on top, and you can definitely see that there is plenty of room up here to safely be able to monitor and maintain any of the devices up here. So hopefully this video brought you some value. If you need access to the top of your surge bins for maintenance purposes, please feel free to ask your sales engineer to add one of our handrail and ladder with safety guarding to your quotation. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.